family, I'm posting this video. Can you see that? That's a lockout tag. A lockout tag. It cuts your gas off. Memphis Light Gas and Water cut this man's gas off almost 3 years ago. This is going to be his third winter without heat. And this man is 62 years old. He's on a fixed income. He has all kind of health problems. And they didn't cut his gas out because he couldn't pay. They cut his gas out because he was arguing with Memphis Light Gas and Water employees when they were digging a hole in front of his house. Hold on, let me show you the hole. You see that hole right there? They were putting wires in the street so that they could operate your utilities from downtown so that they could cut them off. They did it all the way up the street as far as it goes. And this young man had just painted his house, and he was very upset. They left a mound of dirt in front of his house big enough to hide a dead body. And so he went down to, well, he called Memphis Light Gas and Water first, and they told him that it was nothing that they could do about it, and they didn't do anything about it. So he went, after 2 weeks had passed and the dirt was still in front of his house, he went down to Steve Cohen's office, and Steve Cohen called Memphis Light Gas and Water and had them to come out and clean up the mess that they had made. You know, this man is sick. This man is 62 years old. This is going to be his third winter without any heat. And I'm just asking Memphis Light Gas and Water if it's something that you can do to help him. He's on a fixed income. He has high blood pressure, high diabetes, and he just can't take this anymore. You know, he comes over to my house and takes a warm bath whenever he feels like it, but this is borderline and on ridiculous. And he is a senior citizen, and senior citizens are supposed to be treated better than this. Family, if it's something that Memphis Light Gas and Water can do to help this young man, we would appreciate it, because without heat, you can't take a warm bath. Without heat, you can't heat your home. Without heat, you can't even cook decent food. And this is just borderline and on ridiculous. So if Memphis Light Gas and Water would step up to the plate and help this young man, we would appreciate it. Thank you. Leave your comments in the box below.